Hello children, hope you have finished your Good Samaritan question answers. So I'm going to teach in this class a grammar which is there in your lesson, and the topic is suffix. Suffix. So what is a suffix? A suffix is a word part that is added at the end of a word that condition is its usage or meaning. A suffix is a word part that is added at the end of a word that condition its usage or meaning. Okay, so it is called as a suffix. Knowing suffix will help us modifying or even changing the class of the word. So I see. So I see is the adjective, right? So angel, angelic. IVE suffix. Massive. LY suffix. Quickly. ATE. Vaccination. NESS. Example will be happiness. ITY is a noun. Activity. Ship, it's a noun. SHIP, ship is a noun. It's a championship as an example. So suffix is a word that is added at the end of the word. Clear? Suffix is a word that is added at the end of the word. So let's see verb endings example. Suffix ATE, violate, emanate, tolerate. EN, quicken, frighten. IFI or FI, to make or form into. Beautify, sanctify, rectify. IZE, cause, to be or become, right? So it can be a realize. So these are the examples of verb ending suffix. So here's the activity which is already I have done for you guys. So you can find out the differences. Okay. Activity 1. Complete the following sentence. It's with the correct suffix. Okay. So in a box I have given you suffix FUL first example, ISH second one, SHIP third one. So he was acting in a very dash way. In a bracket I have given you child. So which suffix will be added? Exactly, childish. So he was acting in a very childish way. Very good. Second one, he passed his exam. He was dash for the second time. And a bracket I have given you succeed. So what will be the word? Very good. It will be a successful. Correct. The third one, the team that he supported were able to win the dash, and a bracket I have given you champion. So it will be a championship. Very good children. The next one, ATION NESS FUL. I couldn't find any dash in his theory. So weak. So with a weak we'll add the suffix NESS, weakness. There were only a dash of people at the match. Bracket is hand, so it will be called as handful. You need a combination of motivation, organization, and hard work to realize your dreams. This is the first activity which can make you understand how to use the suffix. The next examples you can see in a box ATION NESS FUL. I couldn't find any dash in his theory. In a bracket I have given you weak, right? So what will be the word? Weakness. Very good. There were only a dash of people at the match. Hand. What will be the word? Handful. Very good. The word will be the handful. You need a dash of motivation, organization, and hard work to realize your dreams. And the bracket I have given you combine. What will be the word? Combination. Very good. Activity 2, which you have to do by yourself. Okay. So match the following word with the respective suffix. So in column A I have given the word. In column B I have given you the suffix. So you have to do this activity by yourself. So from your textbook, I have taken the exercise, that is exercise is word formation. Note that the suffix er combines with verbs to form nouns. Working with your partner, write down some verbs and their noun forms. These are the questions which is there in textbook. Kindly complete this also. This is the class for the day. So I have done with your suffix. Homework will be like you have to write 20 words of suffix and show me as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day. Dear children, for suffix I have given an example. You can see that, and as it is you can do in your class work.